Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will review the most complete plant protection module in Homologa, full product information. This is the largest module in Homologa and it offers full details related to global crop protection data including gaps, the good agricultural practice information, such as doses, number of treatments, application patterns, etc. As you can see in this illustration, this module encompasses the same information contained in the basic product information with crops, together with this gap data that I just mentioned. Full product information contains use information from 64 different countries including product name, registration information, so this is registration numbers and registration or expiration dates, company details and all the necessary information related to active ingredient and crop together with the pest and the use data, that good agricultural practice data. This module also offers 7 dedicated filters that you can use to extract the information that you're looking for. These filters are active filter, product filter, company filter, crop and pest filter, phrase and advance filter. In this table, you can check all the available fields for this module. Quite a few, as you can see. So you can pause the video here in case you need to check them in detail. Now let's jump into the tool and check how this module works. Now that we're here back in Homologa, we have to go to the search tab, then I am going to click in the plant protection products and full product information. This will take me to the module interface. As for most modules, at the top I always find my region and my country filters and then down below I can see the 7 dedicated filters that I mentioned earlier in the presentation. For this video tutorial I was going to extract use information for a particular insect, in this case, for a particular crop in a given market. My selections are going to be the coffee borer for this crop, for coffee in Brazil. I am going to select those values in the module. First, I am going to enter Brazil in the country filter. And then I am going to enter my crop information in the crop filter, in this case coffee. And for the pest, I am going to enter the name of this particular pest, the coffee borer in Latin, which is Hypothenemus hampe. And now let us run this report. The tool is basically going to extract the information that I need for this insect, for this crop in Brazil. We can see that we have got 147 results, and I have quite an extensive table which I am going to show you from left to right. Of course, we start with the product information, like the product name, registration number, all the information that I need about active ingredient, the company, crop information will be also available there. Together with the crop original in Portuguese, then user status, the links that we also mentioned in our previous modules. I can also go and check those links in the original source, in this case from the ministry in Brazil. And now towards the end of the table to the right, I can see those good agricultural practice information that I can get from this module. I can see a method. I see crop and pest stages. I've got all the information that I need about the pest. In this case, it is clear that I am going to get the coffee borer. Towards the end, I can see the dose rates, the maximum dose per season, the maximum number of treatments per year, the amount of water that I need to use when I am mixing the product, post-harvest interval, re-entry in the field. There are a lot of fields here related to that use for this particular insect that I wanted to extract. This is the type of information that you are going to be able to get from Homologa. All those use details, when it comes to anything related to global crop protection. Of course, there are some other options that you can do in this module, like exporting or creating alerts. This will be explained in separate video tutorials. I would like to thank you for being with me today, and please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.